Hello, hello. Hello, hello. We're here at the park and I'm finding so many small pieces of plastic trash. That was a balloon, then some M&M's wrapper there, and then the plastic lining of that straw of those mini juices. So this is quite bad because birds eat a lot of stuff that is not food. So what are we doing? Well, poor birds, you know. Did you know that 99% of the birds have was it 90% have plastic inside of them? So, and many of them have died. So please don't leave things on the ground, or they don't just leave them anywhere. They fly away. So we must take care of our beautiful birds, all the beautiful creation. So let's be conscious. Okay, and here I'm doing some exercise. All right, so it's not that hard. It's not that hard. Let's just put it where it goes. Right there. That's where it goes. In the trash can.